We take on the main points. Diaspora-based artist Keyflex Music Official is looking for Remy and Kosi as he claims they stole the beat to his song titled Bad Queen, and he used it, they used it in their song Mavi. And this artist called Keyflex is actually so angry, and he says that this is against the law and the ethics of music. Kosi and Remy, they stole the beat of his song from the song titled Bad Queen and used it on their recently released song Mavi, and to him, he is not finding it funny. And as you can see from the screenshot and from the messages, this artist says that Kosi and Remy should report themselves, or rather they should put this music video down, because if not, they are going to face the law. You know, many times we've had incidences in Cameroon, and not only Cameroon, Africa, where artists or upcoming artists blame another artist for stealing their music videos or their beats and use on their songs and release songs. And we've had a lot of controversies and a lot of fiasco when it comes to beats and artists. Still about theft, still about beats being stolen, we talk about Big G Baba, who has been accused of copying a song titled Momo Me from emerging artist Prince Wizkid. And Big G Baba has been under attack by upcoming artists on social media, saying that he sent his beat to Big G Baba to look at the beat if the beat was okay, but before he could notice, Big G already recorded on this beat and he's soon to release this song. The upcoming artist expresses his dissatisfaction and disappointment and says that most of these artists, they look upon them for survival, they look upon them for support. And how could Big G, a well-known big artist like him, do something like this to him? And to him, he says that he has given his warnings on social media that if Big G Baba actually doesn't want a lot of problems and embarrassment, he should not dare release this song. What is happening with our music industry? What is happening with our artists? Are these just rumors, or are these facts and actually truth to the fact that our artists, not only just the smaller and upcoming artists, our top artists are actually stealing beats from other artists, recording songs on them, releasing this song and making money out of them? We've had a lot of rumors like this. Still in Cameroon, we move to our very own well-known Ada Akenji, who has on Twitter and Facebook announced his retirement when it comes to video directing, and he says that it's actually time for him to move on with his life, and he's sorry to announce that he is no more into video directing. He wants to become more of an entrepreneur. Though Ada Akenji did not mention the source of business, the kind of business that he wants to turn into, but we are expecting and we are waiting on something good from him. I wonder how it's going to look like. Him as a music director and now as an entrepreneur. Askia as an entrepreneur, Blanche Burley as an entrepreneur. Malok says that school is a scam, and now Ada Akenji is quitting of video directing. What could be happening? Maybe in a business they actually pay, you know? Still in Cameroon, the Lion of African, Mr. Leo and Lion of Cameroon, is announcing that he has a new release coming up, and he has done a picture of the cover art of his new video and new song, which is coming up. The title of this song is JJ, and we have seen a lot of photo shoots coming up from this song, and you see some pictures of Mr. Leo in the desert, others him turning behind. So everybody is like, we cannot wait to listen and to watch this video. We don't know what you've been cooking, but his artists, his fans have been complaining that for a while Leo has been silent, and he has done artists like Gomez, like Kameni. He had to take them up to the level that they are today. And what is happening to Mr. Leo? And boom, Mr. Leo comes with a new cover art of his upcoming song, JJ. We are waiting so desperately. We want to know what this Africa and Cameroon Lion has for us. Still in Cameroon, we talk about the most top 10 vocalists, that is the male artists in Cameroon that have a lot of vocal, and we have some names here that have been nominated, and it is said that with the advent of vocal and pitch correction and softwares like Auto-Tune and Melodyne, fans can hardly defer artists with natural pure vocal ability because we have a lot of filters, we have a lot of studios, so it is difficult to judge which artist is the best artist, which one is not the best artist, which artist has the most vocal. It is difficult to know because now everybody filters, everyone, even with the baddest voice on earth, you still listen to lyrics and songs that you can dance to. So we have a list of the top male singers and artists, musicians in Cameroon. When it comes to vocal, they are very, very high. And we have names like, the first is Salatiel, we have Ella Dennis, we have Martin New Songs, we have Sisol, we have Mr. Leo, we have Magasco, we have Tony, Blaise B, Loco, Fall, and Mr. Shine. We say that we want to know about the female because when you're talking about the male, we also want to know about the female vocalist. Who has the highest vocal? Who can hit all the notes? Who can hit all those pitch and everything? We want to know about the lyrical side of the music and not only the male. But we are proud to say that these are artists that have been nominated and that have been crowned with the honor of the best and the highest vocal male artists in Cameroon. We say, okay, Osha, congratulations to you all. Still in Cameroon, Fisherman's Diary director of the cinematography, René Etat Tabot, presently is found in Egypt and represents the movie at the Luxor Film Festival, and the movie keeps making big strides. We know about the Fisherman's Diary, we've heard about the movie, we've watched the movie, Canquintos, we've watched a lot, and the Daphnes and all the like, and this video won an award, okay? And we are saying that we are proud of Cameroon, where they are, where they were, and where they are moving to when it comes to pure entertainment, not only music, but equally videos. You know, we have the comedy, we have music, we have movie, we have fashion. And just to remind you that just not long ago, the best male photogenic model in Central Africa was from Cameroon. And not just long ago, the best male model of the year was from Cameroon. Okay, so it's just to tell you that Cameroon is actually moving to another level, and all we have to do is just to support, hold each other's hands, and lift ourselves up. Okay, and God is going to lift us high. Let's have a break. We'll be right back to get into our Western page, so stay with us.